Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of remainders from the subtopic of Wilson's theorem. Now the question is as follows: what is the remainder when 21 factorial is divided by 361? Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A 1, option B 323, option C 20, option D 360. So this was our question on the topic of remainders, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you have got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given to find the remainder when 21 factorial is divided by 361. Now, as I've said earlier, this question is based on the topic of Wilson's theorem. Now, if you don't know what is Wilson's theorem, let me explain it to you briefly. When we are given a number p where p is a prime number, then the remainder when p minus 1 factorial is divided by p is equal to p minus 1, or it can be stated that the remainder is equal to minus 1. Now, if you don't know what is the concept of negative remainder, let me explain it to you briefly. Now, if we say that when 7 is divided by 8, we can say that the remainder is either 7 or the remainder is minus 1. So same is the case above. If p minus 1 factorial is divided by p, the remainder is either p minus 1 or minus 1. Now moving back to our question, we have to apply this theorem on this question. So let us apply Wilson's theorem to solve our respective problem. So our question was 21 factorial by 361. So we can write 21 factorial as 21 into 20 into 19 into 18 factorial, and instead of 361 we can write it as 19 into 19 because 361 is basically 19 square. Now 119 can be removed from both numerator and denominator, but we have to remember that it is the multiplying factor, so we have to multiply the answer with 19 first. Now we have got 18 factorial into 20 into 21 in the numerator, and we have 119 in the denominator. So we can separately find the remainders for each of them and then multiply them to find the final remainder. Now we have just used the formula of Wilson's theorem, that is p minus 1 factorial whole divided by p will give us a remainder of minus 1. So 18 factorial by 19 will give us a remainder of minus 1 because 19 is a prime number. So this is minus 1. 20 by 19 will give us a remainder of plus 1, and 21 by 19 will give us a remainder of plus 2. Now 2 into 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So the final remainder over here is minus 2. But don't forget to multiply the multiplying factor. So the remainder is minus 2 into 19, which is equal to minus 38. Now negative remainders are only a concept. Remainders are always positive. So we have to add this remainder to the denominator. So our answer is equal to 361 minus 38, which is equal to 323. Now 323 is our option number B. So final answer is option number B, 323. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ASN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ASN Academy.